Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So this is from the link in the video description below. Ordered it exactly from there. Check it out, Let's see, any seal? Nope. So it looks like there's consistently no more seal, but it's definitely, I don't think anyone's counterfeiting CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So I think if you get it from a reputable store, should be good, guys. So I know there's a lot of concern about, is my CeraVe Moisturizing Cream fake or not, or real, because of there's no seal, but I think it's all good. So yeah, need this, getting dry this winter season. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think of this cream in the comment section below, and again, I have a link in the video description of where I got it from. Cool, everyone, take care. See you all for the next unboxing video. Later.